If I had one word to describe this salad, it would be fresh. It's very, very fresh tasting.
Hi, my name is Nita Sharda with Hello Canola. I'm so excited to spend the next few minutes with you to walk you through 2 recipes that are perfect for hosting and grilling season. And what I think I love even more about the recipes is they've got a really beautiful Mediterranean flair. As a dietitian, I learn a lot about the Mediterranean diet, but when you live in the prairies, you have to sort of reinvent that, and that's exactly what we're gonna do with these 2 recipes. The first one that we're gonna get started on is a Mediterranean chicken kebab. We're gonna go ahead and start with our marinade, and I'm going to use canola. Canola is made right here in Manitoba, and it's got that neutral flavor that's gonna allow all of the other aromatics and ingredients to really, really shine through. So there's about half a cup of canola oil in here. I've got my lemon juice. I've also got some lemon zest here. Lemon zest is great to use. I think it's a great way to reduce food waste, but also add in that citrusy flavor and all those notes that we're looking for. We've got some garlic. What kind of Mediterranean cuisine wouldn't be complete without garlic? And then I've got some herbs. We're using oregano. We're also using some salt and pepper. Got that all in here. I'm going to give it a whisk, and there you go. We've got literally the world's easiest marinade going. Now we can hear the chicken already sizzling. I've got it skewered with some vegetables. You can use any seasonal vegetables that you have at home. I personally think things like eggplant, mushroom, zucchini would be really, really well in a recipe like this. And if you don't want to skewer it, that's fine. I think you could also just throw everything together in a bowl, put it on a sheet pan, and call it a sheet pan dinner as well. And I love it when recipes offer me that versatility, because we're all busy and everyone has all sorts of things to kind of get through. So I've got this sizzling, and I'm gonna give it a turn. Canola takes the heat. Canola oil is a great choice for marinades and for grilling because it has a neutral flavor and a really high smoke point. Okay, next we are going to make another really great recipe. This is a Greek-inspired chickpea recipe. Traditionally, Greek salad uses a really light vinaigrette type of dressing, but we're going to change things up and make it a really nice creamy dressing. And that's all thanks to the Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna get that going into my bowl, and I'm gonna build out this salad. So I've got my Greek yogurt in here. I'm also gonna go ahead and add in my canola oil, and that's gonna help carry all of the different flavors through into the dressing. I've also got some lemon zest, some garlic. We've got some lemon juice in here. So again, lots of citrus notes that we are working with today. And then we've also got some herbs and spices, again, using some oregano, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna give that a stir. Okay, our dressing is coming together really, really beautifully. So the base of this salad uses chickpeas. Chickpeas are a really great legume grown right here in Canada, and it's packed with lots of protein and fiber for that fullness and satisfaction factor that you're really wanting in your salad. I'm going to layer it with some vegetables. We've got some chopped cucumber, some bell peppers for a lot of color, some tomatoes, red onion, and some olives as well. We're gonna go ahead and give this a toss. Make sure that all the vegetables and the chickpeas have an opportunity to kind of dance in this dressing. Okay, now to finish it off, all I'm gonna do is add in some feta. No Greek dish would be complete without some feta. And then lastly, we're gonna sprinkle in some mint leaves as well, and that adds in a nice fresh factor to the salad. Okay, we've got that all mixed together, and I'm definitely going to go in with a taste test. If I had one word to describe this salad, it is fresh. It is so delicious. You can find all of the recipe details in the caption below.
If you decide to try this recipe at home, we would love to know what you think. We hope you leave this video feeling inspired to cook with local ingredients. Subscribe if you want to see more from us. Thank you so much for watching.